Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make this. Let's find out how to connect DHT22 module to the Arduino board. Okay guys, first let's get DHT22 module. Now the thing you have to do is connect VCC pin to the 5V pin and SDA pin to any digital pin and ground pin to the ground pin in here. This is the diagram. This is very basic diagram actually. You can easily connect DHT22 module to the Arduino board. Now I'm gonna write this program. While I'm writing, let's go to the advertisement. Guys, do you like to make money using your phone? Then the only thing you have to do is just sell it.
What?
Yeah, just sell it. Guys, I finished writing this program while you were watching that advertisement. So guys, in right here, this is the library you need to include when you work with DHT module, and right here you have to type the pin number you work with. First we write this code to indicate what kind of sensor we use, and we use this code to indicate this sensor works on 7th pin and it's a DHT type sensor. Right here I have used this code to initialize our DHT module. Finally, these are the codes we use to send a signal to DHT module to start reading all these humidity and temperature signals. Now let's find out, is this actually working? Now you can see it's actually working. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, like, comment and subscribe. Bye.